There.
you
All right,
go.
we got it.
Is it going?
All right, hey guys, this is the Splash Friends. Noah isn't here right now, but whatever. Go.
Goes on YouTube.
Let's go. What's up?
It's not right. It's not really that hard.
No, I don't
All right, dude, don't back into the wall.
I'm not.
think
It's kind of heavy.
Okay,
This
try.
one.
Try it, stop it now while it's safe and see if it works. Then you know you can do it.
It's kind of heavy.
Back up.
Oh, wait.
No.
Yeah, but the wheels are
Oh,
stuck.
someone's gonna hurt you if they open the door. I always do. Nice picture of Ethan's feet. Okay.
All right. I think that.
Yeah, you're using a battery.
What's up?
You know what it is.
All right.
It's pretty steady.
It's
That does
good.